Subject, contact our partner.
Buffalo, New York, on October 28, 2025. At approximately 2 p.m., Amherst police officers were dispatched at the Colonie Apartment Complex on Sweet Home Road for a female armed with a knife and acting in a threatening manner. While on location, officers made contact with the female, later identified as 26-year-old Tanisha Green. During the encounter, Green advanced toward officers while armed, resulting in an officer discharging their service weapon. Green sustained injuries and was provided immediate medical aid at the scene by responding officers and emergency medical personnel. Green was transported to Erie County Medical Center for treatment in stable condition, where she remains hospitalized. Green was arraigned on an indictment, charging her with 1 count of menacing in the second degree and 4 counts of menacing a police officer. Green was remanded to the Erie County Holding Center without bail. She could face up to 20 years in prison if convicted. No officers were injured during the incident.